Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the DXF into a tool that understands it. Open your CAD/CAM program now and import the file. Check units immediately millimeters versus inches and confirm scale. A 1:1 mismatch ruins cuts. Once imported, keep layers intact and disable auto-scaling. Make sure text and blocks come in as editable entities instead of fused geometry. These first steps prevent downstream fixes and let you begin cleaning the file with confidence. Once the DXF is visible, focus on repair and organization. Remove duplicates and tiny slivers using a small tolerance, typically 0.001, to avoid toolpath chatter. Explode blocks and convert arcs to polylines if your CAM needs straight segments. Close open contours by joining polylines so toolpaths can generate reliable inside/outside offsets. Then assign layers and line types for each operation, cutting versus engraving, so post-processing exports clean, predictable NC code. Finalize by exporting with the correct post-processor and machine settings. Choose feeds, speeds, and tool offsets appropriate for material. Save 3 files: the original DXF, the cleaned working DXF, and the exported NC/G code. Run a dry run in simulation or on machine with no tool contact to verify orientation, coordinates, and unit consistency. If something goes wrong, open the cleaned DXF in a simple viewer. Recheck units and exploded blocks, and repair any remaining open contours before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.